Donuts. Don't throw my. Don't throw my donut. That was my donut.
I feel good. No.
Poor Africans could have eaten this. I'm so wasting food.
Right, here's Zach. Come on. Alright, Zach, come here.
What? Hold on, let me chuck this. Okay, I'm coming. We're gonna throw beer cans. Hold on. Let me throw my donut at the wall.
Zach, you need to come here.
I'm joking. Poor Africans could have eaten that. See this?
Zach, move.
Oh god, hold on.